Let all women know this. You can't force a man to love you. It's out. No. We can turn a woman genuinely to love you if he doesn't love you from the beginning. There's something about women. If they don't love you and you show signs of care, concern, and time, they will develop love for you. But the way the mind of a man works, if you understand it from the Bible point of view, you have to make sure that the man you are marrying loves you. Not lasting after you, he loves you. I don't know what you're talking about. So how do I know that this man loves me? One of the signs. One of the signs that the guy loves you is that if you make an attempt for sex and you don't give it to him, and he's still hanging around, and you are determined that if this thing is 5 years, we are going to stay till we marry 5 years, and he's still hanging around, it's love. If you see the pressure mounting, what is it? Are you the only person I'm going? It's not love, it is lust. The disadvantage with that is that when you give it to him, he will use it until the time he's tired. But in fact, the love cut off, he gets satisfied from the first day you gave it to him. After that, you don't mean anything to him again. It's just a matter of time to walk you out of his life. That's the way the mind of a man works. Contrary to a woman that, even if he doesn't love you because you have touched her, he wants to stay with you. Because they don't want to go here and there. A man's mind doesn't work that way. She will still sleep with you. And the day he demands and you give it to him, that day you have lost value. You lose value on the same day he gets it. That is why, if you notice it, the zeal in which they were chasing you, the day they have sex with you, it comes down. They don't call. Have you remembered? How many of you have remembered? Is there anybody who have remembered? Is anybody? Okay, God bless you, my dear. So after the first day, if you remember, the first day after you came from Sakakwanta Hotel, when you came from there, you remember that he doesn't call you again, and then you were surprised that this guy, if you call him, please, I'm busy, I'll call you back. There's a lot of work on me and all that. He has gotten what he wants. If it's love, it makes a man stay for 14 years. 14 years. First anniversary, second anniversary, third, 10th anniversary, 11th anniversary, 12, 13, 14 years dowry for Rachel. Love. And all this while Joseph, Jacob has not touched her. God has a bottom line. This is it. So a man doesn't love you because he has sex with you. No. Number two, when you even give your body to him, they have a way of thinking. That's why they keep asking you questions. How many men you have slept with? When they are coming to leave you, they ask you those stupid questions. How many men has you slept with? How many men has come to your life? You have never had a good character. You have had all these things. You see, the moment you give it to them, when you have not given it to them, your past is not important. Once they test you, then your past becomes important to them. You are not free. This week you have to be. No. Once a man enters you, that's all. You don't have value again. Just before man. He doesn't respect you. This one is internal thing. Side, I'm working it. No. You see that? You see, a lot of the girls who are painful and they are working in bitterness and resentment. It's not the breaking of the relationship, it's the price they have paid. Yeah? No matter how you have caught with a man, no matter how much money you have given to him, because after you gave to the man, you are not broke, you still have money. It will never pain you if he leaves you, but it will pain you if he has to use you. And some of them, they really use the thing. Oh, you know it, don't pretend. I mean, the memory of it, you can't handle. When God said, thou shalt not, that's what I say, you can be liberated, but you are not free. There are girls in the church singing in the choir, men are sleeping with them. No man does last minute, you might drop on. No, your value lost the first day sex. That was the day you lost the value. The first day, no die, no buy, no buy. Especially because they've tested different women. You didn't meet the standard. can't meet standard. And that day, when you arrange, there's a lot of complications about the thing. A lot. You were so dirty because you have clothes from work with also. So a lot of records has gone into that. And you think as a woman carnally that your love was going to increase because he made it pretend like, how will I know? And I love you, and after that, no, you lost value from that day. That's all. Even if he marry you with time, if you don't take it, he will divorce you. Unless there's a divine intervention, then grace will be at the end, and the grace will reinforce it. And God arrested the woman because grace helps your inability to do things that naturally you are not able to do. So when grace, but it is 1 out of 1,000. But the scriptures cannot be broken. No. So what is the price I must pay? It's your bottom line. I better not marry a man than giving my body to a man before marriage. Better stay single. That's the bottom line. Because if you don't take care, you undermine the joy of the singlehood you are enjoying. Because singlehood is a gift from God. It's not for loneliness. No. You can marry and be as lonely as somebody. Yeah, you can be in a crowd and be lonely. Marriage rather can make you more lonely than. The singlehood, the ability to go out at the time you like and come back at the time you like. Enjoy your life. Cook your small jollof and sit down and watch your small television and take in the jollof one by one and park in a place somewhere and watch it at the time you feel like, and then go back and bath and do your hair the way you feel and dress the way you feel. It's a gift from God. And serving the Lord